Well, now we're in McDonald's eating little cookies, getting some fries, filling up, always getting fat as usual, but still. Getting fat as usual, but still. We always gonna be there for one another. We're gonna cry, we're gonna get mad, we're gonna, do whatever we feel like we have to, but we brothers. And as brothers, there's an old saying. You help one, you save one. You save one, you help one. Same result. But as for my little fella right here, Mr. Justin, man, he had his little emotion. I made him feel better, give him a hug, because at the end of the day, he gonna be alright. You know what I'm saying? He got big brothers that's gonna help him get through his situation. Just like I have big brothers that's gonna help me get through my situation. And today, really this evening, what I want to talk to you guys about is about discipline. Discipline is one of the biggest things for men like us, because there's so much going on in this world. You may not like what that person tell you. You may get mad for a few seconds and get back normal, but guess what? You're gonna have to deal with it. That's why they call it criticism and judgment. Even though y'all call it haters and whatnot, guess what? In my book, haters, criticism, thugs, or whatever does not go in my category. Why? Because I wasted 2 good years of my life for that. And now here I am, 2020, back better. I'm with a new crew, new job, new fresh start. I ain't seen nothing yet, but this is just the beginning. That's all I gotta say for y'all tonight.